So, amigos, it's time to burn the house. Hola amigos, my name is Ulysses Cruz. Today's video we're gonna make bakey bacon. So you're gonna love it. I mean, this is my first, I'll be honest, this is my first time doing it with rice paper. Yes, I made this before with trumpet mushroom and also with carrot slices. I mean, I sliced a couple carrots and I baked them and it works good, but right now I'm gonna figure out or want to try it with this rice paper. Let's see if this recipe works or not on the rice paper. Also, let's see about the texture, about the color, about the... I mean, I'm going to use a little bit of smoked salt, a little bit of liquid smoke, and also I'm going to, you know, work with this fucking thing. So, amigos, so just let me tell you, if you are new here, welcome. And if you don't know me, I started doing plant-based or mostly vegan dishes 5 years ago. Something that I really love is share with you ideas and anything related to plant-based or vegan food. So, amigos, let's move on the recipe. Let's move it. So then, amigos, first I won't cut it with my... Actually, I'm gonna make my sauce first. Then I'm going to spread a little bit of water in there. So my sauce, one small bowl, one whisk. Soy sauce, amigos, soy sauce. Right now I'm gonna use black garlic or umami sauce. But you can use soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. 1 table. 2 tables. So I mean regular salt or smoked salt. Applewood. Wow, it smells incredible. Amigos, it smells incredible. I'm gonna use a 1/4 of teaspoon. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. So a little bit of smoked paprika, something like 1/16 of teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a pinch of bell pepper, fresh bell pepper. Whisk all together. Just whisk it, mix it. Wow, it smells incredible. It's good, but it's not perfect. So, and I'm gonna add a little bit, few drops of liquid smoke. Mix them very well. Hope this is enough for my rice paper bacon. I hope this is enough, amigos. I hope this is enough. Amigos, that sugar goes well over there. Please use sugar, use maple syrup, or use agave, something sweetener over there. So I'm using a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna tell you why. Because when I'm spread a little bit over the rice paper, it should be right there, the sugar. I mean, instead of running through like the agave or something liquid. But you can use something sweetener, I mean some liquid sweetener. It's not a big deal. I'm going to drink it. Amigos, next step. So right now, if you really see 2 rice papers. So if you really notice, one side of your rice paper is plain, another one is not plain. So I'm gonna stick together the parts of plain. Yes, the plain parts. Amigos, let's spread a little bit of water. Okay. So amigos, if you're gonna drop into one bowl with water, just drop it, but make sure don't overweight them. Just try to remove the water as you can, more water as you can. Otherwise, it's gonna be hard to work with this. Right now, I spread a little bit of water. I don't know if you can see it. This part is a little bit of dry. It's not a big deal, but just make sure everything is wet. Not overweight. Make sure to do that. Not overweight. And there we go. There we go. This is dry. This is clean and dry. Make sure use one clean, completely clean. So right now I'm gonna cut it into stripes. Just be careful. The first one, I got the first one. So then just make sure mix it very well. Otherwise it's gonna be separate the oil. Spread right here over a little bit of sauce. One side, flip them, the other side. Okay, looks good. Looks good, my first bacon strip. So I'm going to keep doing this and until it's ready. Okay, be careful, Ulysses, just be careful. Okay, was good. Another one was good. A little bit of sauce. And also let's figure out the best way to pull up so quickly and easily. So, oh my god, the best way to pull up is just doing it slowly. Please do it slowly, amigos. Otherwise you're gonna break down that one. So amigos, then let's do it one more time. So again, okay, a little bit of water. Just remove the excess of water, just shake it a little bit, or dry it with one clean towel. Dry it one more time, and also stick them together. It should be the best way. So amigos, if you want to avoid those kind of troubles, if you feel that you're going to be stuck in this, I'm gonna show you another way. Amigos, do this. Perfecto. So that's a good way to spread more marinara sauce. So amigos, then this is the best and easy way to cut your rice paper into bacon size, into stripes. So once you have your rice paper together, I'm using two because there is a good shape or good size for bacon for sure. Look at this, it's very delicate. If you couldn't handle it, you're gonna have hard times. So I'm gonna just be careful while you handle your rice paper. So just be careful, don't fold it, otherwise you're gonna have hard times. Oh my god, this is happening again. Okay. So then preheat your oven 400 degrees Fahrenheit and we're gonna bake them something between 8 to 12 minutes. So I'll be back. So amigos, just be careful while you're doing this. Just use some tongs. Make sure you use any kind of tongs. So while your bacon is, your rice paper, your rice paper is in your oven, just make sure flip them. Just flip them, and added a little bit of sauce. Extra sauce, more sauce. Looks good. Flip them. Amigos, flip them. Flip them. Otherwise, we need to add a little bit more of sauce. Otherwise, it's going to be like plain, like this one. So added so much sauce in there. So more sauce. So more sauce. More sauce. So 4 more minutes. Then I give it 4 more minutes and I'll be back. So amigos, 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Oh my god, it's smelling so good. I mean, the aroma is amazing. So let's see the texture. Let's see. Oh yeah. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Look at this. Looks incredible. What the fuck? This looks crispy. This looks crispy also. It doesn't look crispy. Not really. This doesn't look crispy. This looks crispy. But look at this texture. Have you seen this before? Have you seen this before? Wow. Oil is dropping. This looks fucking crispy. So one more time, I'm gonna spread a little bit more of seasoning, or yes, a little bit of extra seasoning. This is the 3rd time that I'm doing this. At least one side very well. And even, why not the other side? Why not the other side? It looks incredible. Yes, you wanna see how looks everything? So amigos, it's time to make something crazy right now. Let's do the next step. It's time to burn the house. Amigos, this is completely optional, but I'm gonna give it a little extra flavor. Looks like caramel. I'll be honest, I haven't tried it, but looks like caramel. What is the fucking wood? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. At least it's a little bit. Amigos, you wanna be how it looks the bacon? There we go. Wow. I don't know if it looks good over there. Look at this bacon. Look at this bacon. So then amigos, let's see how is our bacon. Look at this. Oh my god, then the picture looks amazing. In this. So then I'm gonna test it and I'm gonna let you know what I'm thinking. Okay, it's not bad. When I say it's not bad, from 1 to 10, I'll give it 8.5. 8.5, close to 9. It's almost 9. Oh my god. I think it smells more my plate than the bacon. Too small. Oh my god, that one was 9.5. That one was good. But this is one idea. This is one substitution of the real bacon. It's not bad. I'll be honest, it's not bad. So one was something like 8.5 and the other one was 9.5. Was almost close as perfect. And also, if you added or plus the smoke flavor and the smoke smelling, close to 10. Close to 10, I promise. I won't lie you. Just I like to say the truth. What I'm thinking, this is from my opinion. So also just make sure doing yours and tell me what you think about it. And also there is one idea how to make bacon. Also the recipe is going to be below. I hope you get it. It's very, very easy and simple. So amigos, right now I'm gonna make one BLT, bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes, and that's it, basically. Amigos, thank you for the support. Peace and love. Love your bacon with rice paper. Daddy. Little bit of mayo. Couldn't believe it's close to 10. It's close. It's almost amazing. So this was my first time doing this bacon. So maybe the next time I'm gonna improve this recipe, and also you can improve it. Also, amigos, there is one tip. While you're spreading a little bit of water to don't make it sticky, just put it, if you want, you can put it over one piece of parchment paper, and after that you can cut it. It's going to be easy and it won't sticky as the cutting board. You know, that one before. Just try to do that, and also or try to use some scissors. That's going to work better. So amigos, this is just one option, and you know what to do. If you want, do it. Also tell me in the comments what you think about it, and amigos, see you soon. Just I'm gonna enjoy my sandwich. I'm hungry. 2 slices. Lettuce. Bacon. A little bit more of bacon. Amigos, this is how I made one BLT. Look at this beauty. Amigos, you know what to do with your bacon. Sorry, I'm still with the 9.5. Close to 10, but it's amazing. The flavor is amazing. The texture is amazing. You should do it. Amigos, do it and let me know what you think about it. See you soon.